What is up, everyone? It's Florida Outdoorsman. How's everyone doing today? I got a special video for you guys. As you can see, got my helmet, got my backpack. We're gonna take a quick little trip over to the West Coast to a little aquarium. I just want to get out for the day. All right. Hope you guys are excited for this journey. It's gonna be fun. I'll document it along the way, but yeah. Let's get to it, guys. We got a 3-hour ride ahead of us. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Alright guys, so as you can see, we made it to the aquarium, and as you can tell, I've changed out of my long sweatshirt and well, I'm still in jeans, but I took the sweatshirt off. So it's a hot one over here in Sarasota, guys, so I'm excited for this aquarium. I've never been here before, so hope you're as excited as I am. Let's do this. Guys, we're going into a hurricane. Well, that was anticlimactic. think that bird is part of the exhibit. I've caught bigger sharks than that one. That's puny compared to the sharks that I've caught before. Somebody needs to talk to Sarasota about putting the aquarium next to the manatee exhibit, because that is way too freaking far of a walk. If I had known it was going to be that far, I would have just grabbed a motorcycle and drove over here. Jesus. Plus, I think it's like 100 degrees out right now, so it's hot, guys. Cool exhibit. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it so far. There were stairs, but I'm lazy and fat and I don't feel like taking stairs, so I took the elevator. Go me. I don't know if you can see those owls up there, but there's owls up there. And some hawks. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It's hot. I'm tired. I don't know how much more filming y'all are gonna get. Well guys, good news is my pants are barely fitting, so at least I'm sweating out the water weight. I should have brought a belt with me. I regret that. So, still having fun. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Well, they were hooting at this bar owl right here. Everyone was hooting right before I walked up and turned on the camera. Alright guys, I found some shade. It's hot. I'm ready to go home. It's a beautiful area, beautiful aquarium. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna hit you guys back up when we get home. So in the meantime, I'll talk to you guys later. See ya. I need a haircut. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little aquarium video that we did. As you can see, I showered and now I'm relaxing at home. So I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for tuning in this video. Always remember, if you ain't wet, you ain't fishing in Florida. See you guys. Oh man, guys, I got my hat wet.